Good morning, everybody. It's Mrs. Gallinetti and Malaya, and happy Wednesday. I want to let you know we only have 6 more wake-ups this year. Do you know what a wake-up is, Malaya? A wake-up is where you have to get up for school. So we have today, we have Thursday and Friday, and then 4 days next week. And then guess what? It's summer break. And then after that, you guys will be third graders. Malaya, how sad is that? Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and tell you about your day's assignments and put Malaya down. Okay, here we go. Good girl. Okay, let's see. And here we go. Okay, here is our planner. And I'm actually going to do today, and I'm going to do tomorrow as well. Okay, so do your balloon pop on Wednesday. We're on green. For reading, all you have to do is work on your digital memory book. I wanted to let you know you will not be turning those in next week. That is just something special you can do, and it's really fun, and it'll make a great memory book. You'll love to look back on it when you're my age. So you're going to work on your digital memory book, and then your writing is all done. What you need to do today is you are going to be working on, let's see, no, let me get one more over. There you go. You're going to be editing and revising. Revising is when you go back and you see if you have to make any changes to the writing. Do you have strong words? Do you have enough details? Does it make sense? Remember, read it to as many people as you can, because when you read it out loud, you can kind of hear mistakes yourself. I did that a lot during our Zoom meetings yesterday. I would make a sentence and I'd say, oh, that doesn't sound right. Then you're going to go back and edit. Make sure you have capitals and periods. Remember, every time you put down a period, the next letter should be a capital. Also check for spelling. Underline any words you don't know, and then do a try sheet for them. Write it 3 times, see if you can figure out which way is spelled correctly. And then you can always ask a parent. Okay, for math, you're going to be doing word problems, and there are different kinds. So for instance, on this one, it says, Jorge is building shelves. The bottom shelf is 64 inches long, and the top shelf is 27 inches longer. How long is that top shelf? Well, we know the bottom, and we know the top one is 27 inches longer than that. So if you take the bottom, 64 inches, and then you go ahead and add the 27 inches that it is longer, that will give you the answer for how long is the top shelf. Now, the second one was tricky. That's why you kind of have to read word problems over and over. It said the top shelf of the bookcase is 24 inches from the ceiling. Okay, so here's a bookcase, and there's the ceiling. It's 24 inches from the ceiling. But the whole ceiling is 96 inches tall. So this, from the floor to the ceiling, it's 96 inches. But from here, it's 24 inches, and the rest is bookcase. How tall is the bookcase? Well, we have the big number, and then we have a small part of it. We have one of the partners. So if you went ahead and subtracted, we could find out what this missing total was, this missing add-in. Okay, so that would be your math. Go ahead and read each problem carefully, and that would be your work for today. But I'm also going to go back and do Thursday. So Thursday, we have a Zoom meeting. We're going to celebrate Addison and Noah's unbirthdays. Please make sure you have a sign for each. And I have a couple kids who still have not turned in their sentences from last week. Please make sure you do that. So we are going to have that meeting, and it's at 12 o'clock. Please do your balloon pop to see what you're going to do during that meeting. Okay, let's see. You're going to work on your memory book as well. And then you're going to start typing your hurricane essay. There is a sheet you can type on in Google Classroom, or you can go ahead and write it on paper in your very best writing. Okay, math, there's a practice test. If you printed this up, it said you could do, I think if you printed this up, you could do it on the paper version in your math book, or you can do PMT. And I would prefer you do PMT, because the test on Friday is PMT, and you get good practice. It'll show you how the questions will be written. So I prefer you do PMT, plus you can see how you did. Okay, and let's see, anything else going on Thursday? Oh, on Grow Your Brain, there's something called a robo wheel. If you watch this video, it actually shows you, on your planner, it'll show you a video, and then there's instructions how to make a robo wheel. So that is actually, let me come back. That is actually Wednesday and Thursday's morning meeting. But I will see you on Thursday for our Zoom meeting at lunchtime. Don't forget to pop your balloon. And Friday will be really fun. We're having a virtual Friday flag. There's a video, and there's also going to be a virtual field day. We can't do it in person. We're going to do it virtually. So anyway, love you guys. Have a great day. And I will see you on Thursday for our Zoom meeting.